Guys, this is the superhero Deadpool. Wow, what a graceful superhero, guys. Wow. Guys, this superhero name is Hulk. Wow, what a man of this superhero collection. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? Guys, this is Spider-Man. Wow. Guys, this is Captain America. Guys, this is my favorite and most beautiful superhero, Captain America. Wow. Guys, this is most powerful and very dangerous villain, superhero Hulk. Wow, what a great and very fantastic superhero Hulk, guys. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is Iron Man. Wow. Wow, what a nice superhero, Iron Man. Wow, guys, this is another very famous superhero, Ninja Warrior. Wow. Wow, what an amazing superhero, Ninja Warrior. Guys, this is Mini Spider-Man. Guys, this is another very smart and very long superhero, another Spider-Man. Guys, this is the new look of this superhero, Spider-Man. Wow, what a graceful superhero, guys. Wow. Guys, this is Batman. Wow, I check the light of this superhero, guys. Wow. I check the face impression of this purple color superhero. Guys, this is Thanos. Wow, what a graceful superhero, guys. This is Thanos. Wow, what a action of this superhero, Thanos. Wow. Guys, this is the mini superhero, Captain America.